All right, guys, so we just had some great fans come up. Say what's up.
Introduce yourself, guys. We got Joe and Brooke. I don't know the other two.
Tom and Caleb.
All right.
Y'all gonna be on YouTube. Say hey. You gotta say hey to the camera.
What's going on, man? I like your shirt. You got a Corvette on there.
Yeah, turn around to the back. Show the back. Oh, don't have nothing on the back.
Each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Let us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Zmax dragway. 4 wide here. Me and Tyler in the lanes right now.
What's up, guys?
And as you can see, they've already started to race some. Right now they're doing roll racing, I think.
We can get in and get tech. We're gonna do it, but I mean, I don't know how long the roll race is gonna last.
A lot of action going down this weekend. Got to see a lot of cool people yesterday. Got to hang out with Cleetus for a little bit. And Cooper and all them, really cool guys, down to earth. A lot of people build up a lot of hype, but they really are some nice, genuine people, just doing what they love, making videos like we're trying to do, and just building some pretty badass cars. But there's a lot of cars around us right now. So Tyler, what's your predictions today on what you might run in the quarter mile?
Alright, so I have street tires still, the same hand cooks that I've had since February. I would be happy with an 11.4 or 11.5, but my problem is my clutch. My clutch is slowly going out because every time I go to the drag strip it gets just a little bit worse. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. I know with radials and a stage clutch or twin disc clutch, I should be able to get 10s, high 10s, or really close to it, or some super low 11s. But my goal today is an 11.5. I could walk away happy with that. But you know, we're just here to have fun, so anything's gonna be fun and worth it. We'll see what happens.
We're just hoping to have a wonderful day out here at the strip and be able to drive the vet home. Alright guys, so we are now in line for tech. Vet's used about 1/4 of a tank since we left the gas station right before we got here. So we're down on weight, so that's good. Bad news is she drinks it even more when we're giving her hell. So we're gonna see how many passes we can get in before 11 o'clock tonight, because they ended up bumping it up from 10, or bumping it back a little bit more from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. because apparently 18,000 people are supposed to be here tonight. So we're gonna be here, we're just gonna send it, and we'll catch y'all out there. Guys, if you've been following the channel, this has become a recurring occurrence here. David's got really good at pushing his car. I just thought of something. All right guys, so we just got out of test. We're gonna do a hit. We just got out of tech. We testing, you know, not really, we just want to make a couple hits on it, see how she'd react. See how the clutch would hold, get her warm, and but there's a lot of people here today.
We're gonna have to find a spot somewhere.
And then there's beaters. All right, y'all. So we are in the staging lanes now. As you can see, David and his hairy ass is changing. Right now they're doing 4 wide test and tune. Tyler's getting ready.
Bear with us, right?
Problem is that's just cam and headers.
best and call it a day. I'm gonna shoot for at least an 11.5. Realistically, I don't know if that's gonna happen. I'm still on street tires and my clutch is giving out, but we're gonna give it what we can and go from there. But you guys stay tuned, and I'll cut the camera back on before we do the burnout box. All right, they're sending us out. Had a bad wheel hop on that. That's a 12-second plus pass. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, sir. Just a 12.2. My 60 foot was a 2.073, which is not good. All right, guys. Pretty much gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for watching thus far. Had a good time at Streetcar Takeover today. You know, we didn't get to make as many passes as we would like, but it wasn't near as hard as it was last year, so got to pull the positives from it. But my final pass, I made a 12.2 at 119, so that wasn't all that grand. Not really what I was shooting for, but that's okay. There's always next time. But again, thank you guys for sticking through the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It always helps me more than you know. And if you enjoyed the video, please drop a big thumbs up. And you guys have a good day. And until next time, have a good one.